Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. This is part 2 of a series that I've called Buyer Beware. This video is basically for guys that are in the market to purchase a used convertible Jaguar. So if you saw part 1, you know that I've been working with a client that's in North Georgia. Turns out his name is Dan. He bought a 1998 convertible XK8 from a wholesaler. The car had been completely totaled. And what Dan did was he rebuilt that 1998 from scratch. And he did a fantastic job. I'm going to include some pictures during this video. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're in the market to purchase a used convertible Jag, there is a great chance that the convertible top isn't going to work. Or the wholesaler did whatever they needed to do to get the top to go up and down a few times, just so that when you get to it, the buyer, that the convertible top works, and given a week or two, the convertible top completely stops. But anyway, there is hope. Same thing happened with Dan on his car. The convertible top stopped working. It took us a few days to figure out what was going on, simply because I had never run into a convertible top just completely not working. And doing some research and testing this and testing that, we were able to get the top working. So now, at this point, I want to let you guys know that if you're in the market to purchase a used convertible Jaguar, go ahead and get that great deal. Because if you're able to find me, I am going to be able to get your convertible top working. So those of you that have not seen my phone number or seen my videos, my phone number directly to me, and you can give me a call 24 hours a day. That phone number is going to be 888-317-9340. Again, that's 888-317-9340. I travel to all 50 states. So don't be shy. Pick up the phone. Give me a call. I can a lot of times diagnose what's going on with your car through the phone and give you pretty good pricing on it. But anyway, I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Again, give me a call. Let me know what's happening with your vehicle, and we'll get something worked out for your car. I don't think that'll be a problem. Anyway, thank you guys for listening, and I'll be seeing you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.